problem, what we're going to do is the same thing. We want to get the 67 away, so we add it to the other side. So that leaves me with a squared plus 12a. Put a little blank spot because I'm going to add a number there. What's 67 minus 6?
61.
Thank you. It's 61. What's 1/2 of 12?
6.
What's 6 squared?
36.
So we're going to add 36. Remember, whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. This one isn't going to work out as nice as I had hoped. Now we're going to go crank through it. So now, over on this side, I've got a squared.
Where did you get the 36 from?
That's 6 squared.
It's an algorithm. I take the middle term, which is 12. What's 1/2 of 12?
6.
What's 6 squared?
36.
36. Okay. The reason we do that, if you look at this previous problem, I've got 12. Well, what's 1/2 of 12? 6. Right? Because it's gonna be half, and then you square it to get the third term. So you're creating a perfect square by following that algorithm. So this whole thing becomes a plus 6 squared, and then this becomes 97. Okay. Now this one doesn't work out so nice. This one, when I take the square root of both sides, 97 is a prime number and nothing goes into it, so I can't reduce it at all. So this becomes a plus 6. Remember that the square root and the squares undo each other. You're just left with the base. Is equal to plus or minus the square root of 97. Subtract 6 from both sides and you get a is equal to -6 plus or minus the square root of 97.